what's up everybody? This is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well. And today I'm on the road again. And as you can probably see, I'm on a very good looking location. It's just stunning to be here around the nature. The weather is absolutely beautiful today. So I'm taking the drone out and I'm climbing these rocks behind me. Which is going to take some time, but the view from there will be all worth it. So today you are going to experience the beautiful Bulgarian nature with me, and I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Let's go. Hey, I think I found a friend. It's a stray dog. Unfortunately, we have many of those here in Bulgaria, but at least I gave him some water, so now he's happy. So this place is not random at all. It's a little city called Madara, and this is the place that is mostly known for the Horseman of Madara. This horseman is actually one of the earliest architectural pieces found in Bulgaria, and it's from way back, so it's a very historical place. It's very beautiful as well, as you can probably tell, but I cannot wait to show you how that looks from the drone's perspective. So let's keep climbing and I'll meet you there. Those stairs are going to kill me. They're so steep, but I'm almost there. Almost. I can't believe it. We made it. And just take a look who just passed me, who came all the way with me. My friend, he's here. Oh, dogs are just amazing. Dogs are just something else. That's a good dog. A very good dog. You deserve all the water that I have, and you're gonna get it. This became a dog vlog, but now I just can't make myself take the drone out. I just need to pet this guy a little bit, play with him for some time, and then I'll get to flying. So after finally being able to catch my breath a little bit and take a little rest and playing with the dog, now it's time to fly the drone and show you how epic this place really is. So the sun has just started to go down, which means I also need to get going because I need to get back down there where I came from, and I need to drive all the way back home, which will take some time. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I personally had a blast because this location was just amazing. The weather was fantastic, there was no wind, no one was bothering me, everything was just perfect. And that dog also made my day. I met a couple of people and they told me that this dog is actually not exactly a stray dog. It's a dog that everyone knows here. It's well fed. It's getting water all the time, so it's really taken care of. So I was really happy to hear that. But anyway, I just had an amazing afternoon here that I pretty much got to spend by myself here, and it's really a great way to clear your mind, take in all that beautiful scenery and just enjoy life. And that's something that I really love doing with my drone, and I love sharing it with you. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.